remember the last time I called you from Europe, you told me you're working as a sales guy in one of the companies that sells building materials.
Yes, brother.
Am I correct?
Yes.
And then I believe you now understand the system of the business right now.
Very well, oh. Very well, brother.
Just for your information, I'm importing 3 containers of step tie roof and 3D floor tile.
Hey! 3! 3! That's 6! Hey! Any bag of 1! Any bag of 1! Any bag of 1!
Address me properly.
Any bag of 1!
Sit to me.
Any bag of 1!
So you know about them?
Ah, brother. They are very, very expensive. Oh. Very, very.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh, I learned that is only one major importer. There is only one major importer in the States.
Yes, brother. You're right. That's true.
The container will be landing in less than 1 month from now.
Any
Less than 1 month.
Ah, I trust you, brother.
And then I will stage the most glamorous chieftaincy title ever in this land. Yes, after selling those items.
Hey, brother!
Now listen, just so you know, you will be fully in charge.
Hey, brother! Hey! My brother! Brother, I feel like fencing.
Kunye.
Hey! Brother, what?
Sit to me.
What?
Sit to Kwemo, sir.
What?
I'm back, man.
Thank you very much. Lazarus, go inside and pack those clothes. The owner is traveling first thing tomorrow morning. Oh?
Okay, man.
Lazarus! Brother! Come here! Is this the number I asked you to play?
Ma?
It's a ma?
Yes, now you said I should play single 9, 57 and 28, sure banker.
You must be out of your mind. I told you to play single 9, 54 and 20. What's wrong with you?
I'm so sorry, ma. Your handwriting
Shut up your mouth!
Was confusing.
You go and bring this rubbish for me. You just wasted this 3,000 naira for me.
No, ma. Your 4 looks like 7 and the 0 looks like 8. Your handwriting confused me. I'm sorry.
You must be blind. You see. You must be blind. See, let me tell you. I will make sure I deduct 3,000 naira for your salary this month. I'm telling you honestly. What's wrong with you? My 8, they're like 0. They're like you are blind, honestly. Get out from here. Go get over. I said get out. My 0 is confusing. My 8 is like 0. My this stupid human being. Just look at this boy has spoiled this game for me. He has spoiled this game for me now. What will I do again?
The king in his wisdom asked us to cast a lot for both of you. Here are 2 cards. One bears yes, while the other one bears no. Whoever chooses yes automatically wins the title race, while the other person make another choice. Do you both agree to this?
Ndichi, I agree.
I agree.
Very well then. I will shuffle the cards. Then allow both of you to pick. Then you can pick.
The deal is done.
Congratulations, Easy Wine.
Thank you, my elders.
Now, elders, I am sorry to disappoint you. Yes. I cannot travel all the way from Europe down to this village only for me to allow these white rats possess my possession. It's either you give the title to my wife or there will be no coronation in this village. And
my elders, there's no cause for it. I'm equal to the task.
Yeah?
To Kenenu Mafa.
Easy Wine.
Abu Mobile and Sine maybe.
Oh, Yana.
Onyane, Kuweri, honey.
Oh, Yana.
But to them, yeah.
Easy Wine.
Okay.
Easy Wine. Easy
My dear sister, see miracle. I almost tore him apart this morning the time he played the game.
And now this same game has won you 6 million naira.
That is my sister. I even threatened to deduct 3,000 naira from his salary.
I thank God for you.
No be small, thank God though. I even tired of this dry cleaning business.
Well done, thank you.
Hey, here he comes. I don't want him to know about it. Why?
Madam, shh. Good day, ma.
Welcome. I have packed all your washes. Just go inside and iron them. Oh?
Okay, ma. Thank you, ma.
You mean you won't give him anything from that system?
Shut up. I owe him nothing but his salary. After all, I played the game with my money. What do you mean? My sister, what do you care to take? In fact, what do you care to drink? This calls for celebration.
What is the meaning of this? No, tell me, what is the meaning of this? Are you deaf or drunk? Leave me alone. I have no business with you. Leave me alone. What's all this now?
You must renew your covenants with the goddess of Utaka River if you want to sustain your blessings.
Each time you mention blessing, you get me angry. I don't have any covenant with you, and I don't know the blessing you're talking about. Where is the blessing? Do you know what I've been through? Look at my life. Houseboy, laborer. I've been feeding from hand to mouth, and you're here telling me about renewing my sacrifice and blessing. Which blessing are you talking about? Which blessing? Where is the blessing? Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I have no business with you. I'm not in any covenant with you, and I have no blessing from you. Leave me alone. Niha Bala.
The goddess of Utaka River never promises without fulfilling. Your money was delivered to you, but your sister hijacked it.
Is this your new format? Is this your new format? No, tell me, is this your new format? It's your room without laptop. I swear it won't work. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
The sacrifice must be someone related to you by blood. You have 21 days to make the sacrifice, or you die.
It is you that will die. Abia, how come I get there? Could this be true? How come my sister suddenly became rich overnight? I'm beginning to see sense in what the goddess said. Where did Gloria get all the money she has been spending? You can't just become a multi-millionaire overnight. That's not possible. Does that mean I have been saving my own money all this while? Mbano. Manona meeting chaba amanya. Draw possible. It won't work. Something must be done. I must find out. I must find out.
Ego di no gwe, ego di no gwe. Adira bonfe,
Mr. Engineer. I want you to bring down this house, you know?
Okay.
And give me something to compliment my Ezewanyego.
We can do it.
You know? You understand what I'm talking about? I've heard a lot about you and I know you can do better than this. Okay. So, when are you going to get my drawing for me?
In 2 weeks' time, the drawing will be ready.
2 weeks?
Yes.
Okay, no problem. I'll see you. Till then. Okay. See you. Agarasha. So you finally found your way back home.
I am here to possess my possession. I hope you know what I'm talking about.
I can't descend so low to understand what a poor man like you is talking about.
Stop pretending. You hijacked the money meant for me. What were you thinking? I won't find out.
Mr. Dreamer, I can see poverty has eaten up your brain. You better wake up before I place you where you truly belong.
Ego di no gwe, ego di no gwe. Adira bonfe.
How did this guy find out the truth? Probably he visited a witch doctor who revealed to him that it is his wealth I have been possessing.
See what you call show. Money.
I must do something fast before he puts me to shame in this village.
See what you call show.
I must send him to prison as soon as possible. Yes.
I must do that very fast.
Money, 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 money. Money, money, see what you call show. Money, 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 money. Money, money, see what you call show. Money.
Uncle, good day.
Will you get up from that bench?
I'm sorry.
Yes. What brought a murderer to my house? What do you want in my house?
Uncle, please, there is fire on the mountain. I need you to help me talk to my younger sister. Tell her to give me what rightfully belongs to me. Please.
Did I hear you well? What rightfully belongs to you? Please, can you be more explicit? What is that, if I may ask?
Good. It was revealed to me that all the money she has been enjoying rightfully belongs to me. Yes, she hijacked it when I was in police cell.
Hey!
What's funny?
Hey! Good digger! Hey! Congratulations!
Between the devil and the blue sea, I am stuck with a decision to make. Oh no, time is running out of me. Oh God, the loss of what I can't come get me. On your now for a liar cast, no capo. I'll dip a matter, but not them more.
Ijeko Ife gone menowa Ijeko
Hey, Lazarus, my man. How are you? Huh? Well, I have not set my eyes on you ever since I came back from Europe. Where have you been all this while? Oh, okay, I understand. See, talk to me. Let's talk like man to man. Yes, I promise to help you. Manimago ife junwoke nisi. Eh? I'm still ready to help you. I'll make up for that. It's all that you're a man. You should start realizing that. You are not a woman. Don't put things in your mind. Eh? You're not a woman. Like I said, I'll make up for all those mistakes. All right? Well, as to speak, you know, I'm taking my wife out. Okay, you know what? See me when you're ready to be blessed. You know, I help people for a living. As to speak, I'm taking my wife out and then we could just go make up for a drink. That's if you choose.
Can you please help me?
Hey, boy, you go. How are you? You good?
Lazarus, how are you? Honey, I haven't taken too much time. Why don't he come and see you at home if truly he needs your help?
It's okay, darling. It's okay. This is a man-to-man talk. You're not supposed to be involved in this. Laziwanne. Well, get in touch with me if you're ready to be blessed.
Yes.
Well, I make people shine for a living. Okay? In my figure, you know what to do. Honey, take it easy,
Come
okay?
to the house.
All right, then. Yeah.
If I go ne menowa, Ijego.
Ego ne mi fedin, ego ne mi fedin jo. Ego ne umada, ego na zandu.
Lazarus, I want you to repeat that story you told me before everybody here.
Thank you very much. I can repeat what I said anywhere, again and again and again. I played Lotto and won. When they brought my money, unfortunately, I was in police cell. This criminal that called herself my sister hijacked my money and made me serve my own money. Even the devil will not forgive you. I want my money back. Simple.
It's okay, calm down. Gloria, you've heard what your brother said. What have you to say?
I have nothing to say. Other than ask him whether he wants to continue enjoying this fresh air or go back to prison.
Yes. We are listening. We are listening for your answer. Answer her now. Or have you become deaf and dumb? The choice is all yours, gold digger.
Then, Nana.
Eh?
Then, Nana, you're not just being fair in this whole thing.
How fair do you want him to be when he knows what this murderer is up to?
I mean...
Then, Nana, I know what your problem is. Yes, I know. You are suffering from the chicken and wine she has been feeding you with. You can't even see anymore or think right. But it's all good. Like I said before, I want my money back. Else, I will tell you people the full meaning of my name, Lazarus.
Lazarus, you can't do anything. You can't do more than a dead rat. See, if you dare me, I will send you back to prison. Don't dare me.
I have always known that there is something fishy about Gloria's wealth. I've always said it.
Have you come to take sides with him?
Lazarus, look, let me tell you. You are still a young man. A young man, solid. Vibrating like other young men like you. Go out there and hustle. Hustle like other young men like you, man. You're a strong man. Work hard and make your own money, earn your own wealth, and stop eyeing other people's wealth. Especially your little sister. Your sister. Little sister, for that matter. You cannot work to make your own. Do you want to... Oh, you want to turn a thief again? Come and murder her like you murder your mother. Murderer. Gold digger. Nonsense.
Then, Nana, this whole thing is okay.
No.
I don't just understand.
Listen.
Why are you taking sides here?
You don't know the evil and greed in him. That is what I believe.
What evil are we talking about here?
You have been blinded by what is happening. You can't see.
Nobody blinded me in any way. Not
they have blinded you.
I cannot take it.
Look at him, a murderer.
What is
a murderer?
No, he's not.
Are you aware that he murdered his mother?
No, he did not.
He murdered his mother. For goodness sake.
The sacrifice must be someone related to you by blood. You have 21 days to make the sacrifice. You die.
di no good. Ego di no good. Oh, did I want fair?
Who gave you access into my mansion?
That's not necessary.
You broke into my mansion?
Listen, I come in peace. Between you and I, we know the truth. The money you are spending is from Otaka goddess.
See, I don't have time for your nonsense. Just get out.
Like I said before, I come in peace. I am not here to fight, and I'm not even in the mood to shout. But listen carefully. Otaka goddess demanded for another human sacrifice. And this human sacrifice must be related to me. Now this is it. I don't want to lose you as my one and only sister. So let's reason together and see who we can sacrifice for this wealth to multiply, so that you and I will enjoy and be alive. Like I said before, I come in peace and I don't want to lose you.
Like I said before, I don't have time for your nonsense. Live in peace before I call my bouncers to throw you out.
Onwe egbu nwa nkịta adekwe enu isi nsị. Onwu ya egbu nwa nkịta adekwe enu isi nsị.
Hey, I must send this boy back to prison tomorrow morning.
Inasimemena, biamana sindo, okonya bate gono wa umwebo biangli. Inasimemena, biamana sindo. I want to pate gone away, and you're busy your respect. I want to pate gone away, can you know? I put up a feno. Muddy Lisa Jano, no money, who was on a natado. I put up a feno. I got the no way. I got the no way, one them way. I put up a leaf and away. If I negotiate, you can. You come put it. I can't get a musin on you. You come put it. I can't get a musin on you. You come put it. You come put Odu kutele njanwe Akwankene wosenu Wekombuta Ego dinogwe Ego dinogwe Adira kwanfe
It is inevitable in every human. Why this sudden death? The only successful woman in our
this is so good.
What are they more for?
Money.
That is
money. Money.
My one only sister, my one only sister.
This is a very big
Money.
But also to the entire village. Yes, of course. Ego yibo. Encore na panyem. Money. My turkey, my chicken here. You. See what you want a name of man.
If I gonna Abogini mere zonye chilego nyanyano Agini mere wanne chibwe wanne Abozikini mere nungwa juwe buwane Agini mere na chile diapara Akwego Akwamaki hego Akwego Akwamaki hego Ego yibo, ego ne mi fedin ma, ego ne mi fedin jo. Ego yibo, ego ne umade, ego na zandu. Ego dinogwe Adira kwanfe Yamana sindo Okonya bate kono wa umebo biangoli Inasimemena Yamana sindo Okonya bate kono wa Enyebezenya respect Okonya bate kono wa Kenya
Tiger.
Yes, boss.
Come. Nico, stop. Don't come. Shift. Good. Mighty Thunder.
Yes, boss.
Get your greasy ass here. What's the last one's name? What's his name?
Black Bullet.
Black Bullet.
Yes, boss.
Zuzuli baby also. No, Mr. Boss. Listen real good. Don't blame me because this transition is pushing me around. Power can be intoxicating. That's why real men can die for power, fame, and the money. So bear with me because I'm trying so hard to control my new status. You, go and wash that car. Move.
Yes, boss.
You, go and buy me brown Rizzler. What did I say? Brown Rizzler. Go. And as for you, you look like, I don't know his name, but I want you to be running around this compound until I'm tired. Maybe that will give me joy. Do you understand?
Yes, boss.
Just be running around. I'll be monitoring you from up there. When I say stop, you stop. Do you understand?
Yes, boss.
Start now. Run around fast.
Lazarus. I was planning to pay you a condolence visit, but it's nice to have you anyway. So what do you want?
The only thing better than money is
more money.
The only thing better than money is
more money.
Now I see what you have been enjoying all this while. Money is sweet.
Now listen to me. I can see your sister's death has turned your life around overnight. Haven't you thought about having a title? Onwumereze. Haven't you thought about that?
Now you shut up and listen real good. I swear to whatever I believe in, I will make sure you vomit every single thing you took from me in this village, including this prostitute here.
I beg your pardon, Mr. Onwumereze.
Tiger!
Yes, boss.
You better count me out of that useless plan of yours, please.
The only thing better than money is
more money.
The only thing better than money is
more money.
The only thing better than money is
more money.
The only thing better than money is
more money.
The only thing better than money is
more money.
The only thing better than money is
more money.
Dalandala. Let's go.
Now listen. My money is louder than a virgin thunder. It's okay.
bili sojano no mani buwa solo natado. Ay abulo beli feno. Ego dinogwe. Ego dinogwe wanemwe. Abulo beli feno. Ifenya negotiate kano. Ego mbute. Akwankene muzino. Ego mbute. Ego mbute. Akwankene muzino. Ego mbute. Ego mbute. Ufodu butele manwe. Ego mbute. Ebu ufodu butele njanwe. Ego mbute. Akwankene muzino. Ego mbute. Inasime mena ubyamana sindo akwanye batego nuwa onwebo byangole. Inasime mena ubyamana sindo akwota batego nuwa enyabana ya respect. Akwanye mwetego nuwa enyezi enyokenyano.
The only thing better than money is
More money.
the only thing better than money is
more money.
I repeat, the only thing better than money is
More money.
good. You diabetic old fool. So you are still alive. Good. I am back and made. I swear I will shock you. I will shock you. I will shock you. I will shock you. I swear I will shock you. The only thing better than money is
More money.
the only thing better than money is
More money.
the only thing better than money is
More money.
Let's go. The only thing better than money is
More money.
the only thing better than money is
More money.
the only thing better than money is
More money.
Nice one, boys. Nice one. Your guys should get ready. We are clubbing tonight. And we are also traveling to the city tomorrow. The whole wide world needs to know that Lazarus has finally made his dream come true. The only thing better than money is
More money.
the only thing better than money is
More money.
the only thing better than money is
More money.
my elders. As in onye ji ego adegbu oge n'afia. I want that chieftaincy title as Ego, King of Money. And that's final. Not even the devil can stop me. Talk more of this boy. I'm not even supposed to be dragging a title with him. You don't even know his source of income. So I want that title, and that's final.
Lazarus. Lazarus. Lazarus, how many times did I call? You are a boy and you'll always be a boy. Say, Papa. Listen. Remember how I cleaned you up? Eh? Oh my God, again, go one nigga. You're not even ashamed of yourself to battle with a person like me. Your title is supposed to be Onmereze. Lazarus dojin when Ezego is talking.
All right. My elders, let's submit our names to the Igwe.
No, my son. We all know that Ezego means money. Ezego is still king of money.
But he has already taken it.
I want to revoke it. That's why we are talking about money.
We have to settle the contest here first before passing the names to Igwe.
My elders, like I said before, in fact, listen. The only thing better than money is...
More money.
You guys can do better. The only thing better than money is...
More money.
The only thing better than money is...
More money.
You heard that right? So let's take the names to the Igwe. Highest bidder wins. That's the meaning of Ezego. I'm not here to talk. Highest bidder wins. That's what I'm talking about. Maka na onye ji ego ade egwu oge n'afia. And me meji nke ego na ji nke ego. No, what are you doing about anye fe by wa?
My son. If that is what you want, the auction starts with 5 million naira.
5 million naira. Yes. Okay, let's hear from him first.
Well, Ndiche, like you all know, you know what I'm capable of doing. I'm putting 10 million naira.
Like I said before, onye jiego ade maybe you don't. In fact, listen. The only thing better than money is
more money.
The only thing better than money is
more money.
The only thing better than money is
more money.
In fact, in the chair, I'll give you people $20 we confuse them. 15 million naira cash.
Hey!
Mobile transfer here and now. When you go get a new affair. Open, I will double it.
I'm nepi wagum. When the liba mama wagum. Mano when the guru comes here, go go habugo. Go habugo. I'm not wagum. Papa liba mama na wagum. Mano when the comes here, no go habugo. Go habugo. Chuku menu meriwa. I'm sorry,
My baby.
Baby, so how did it go?
Give me a sec.
All right, I'm waiting.
Gosh. Yeah, honey. Trust me.
I trust you, baby.
I won the title with a sum of 30 million.
Are you serious? Oh my God, you're such a darling.
Ooh, you can say that again. The title is worth the money.
Of course it is. Thank you so much for making me proud as Ego One.
You're welcome, my Eze One, man. Now let me ask you something, honey. I have like 10 million naira in my account. How much do you have in yours?
I think I have about 5 million naira in my account.
Good. So very well then, I'll add it up to the one I have and then deposit the sum of 15 million naira to the Royal Council Elders. Wow. And thereafter I'll wait for my container that will be landing in 6 days' time. And we'll be having like hundreds of millions again in my account. And then we're rich.
Yes, baby. Thank you so much,
We're
baby.
rich.
I love you, baby.
We're gonna be rich.
Yeah, baby, we are rich.
Richer.
We are richer, baby.
Richest.
I love you.
Now what are you going to say to
Kiss
Daddy?
Daddy.
Now listen, baby. You can do better than this. We're talking about hundreds of millions. Eat me up, that's what I mean. This is not how Beyonce eats Jay-Z.
Are you serious?
That's my baby. Now listen, let's go do the rest right there.
No money gang.
You can say it again.
No money gang.
And then I will be called what?
No money gang.
You can say it again.
No money gang.
And then I will be called what?
No money gang in the building.
You already know.
Yeah, baby.
Get your ass right here, baby.
What insult? Where does he plug money from? What is his source of income? He dared me. He humiliated me right in front of the elders. That will give those men room to insult me in the future. No, Adamu Dugwaka. No. No. I must do something to prove Erimego wrong. I must do something to prove Erimego wrong. Adamu Dugwaka. Adamu Dugwaka.
What did this to you? What is this? What's going on? Talk to me. Get up now. Get up from the floor. Get up. Baby, talk to me. What's going on here? What happened? You're not talking. Talk to me. I'm here. Talk to me. Talk. Baby, look at me. Just look at me. Talk to me. You're losing it. What happened? What happened? Get up. Get up. Talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me.
I don't know what is wrong with him. I have been like this for like an hour. I refuse to say a word to anyone.
I remember myself. What's the problem with you?
But I talk to Mama now. But I kunu now. I'm poor kunu.
Talk to me now. You're finished. What happened? What happened, sweetheart? Talk to me. I'm here.
My son, please, can you talk to me?
Mama, wait. Baby, look at me. I'm here. Baby, talk to me.
Bro, talk to Mama
me.
now.
Talk to me. Please talk to me.
You're finished what? Ma.
Sweetheart, are you okay?
Hey, Mama Kwalara.
What is it? Are you... Brother! What is the matter? Can you talk to me? Talk to me! What's going on?
What is it now?
The ship.
What happened to the ship?
The ship that conveyed my container.
What happened? What happened?
Capsized.
Hey!
Jesus Christ!
Hey! Brother!
Baby! Our money! What are we going to do now?
Go and get a casket. Go and get a casket.
Can't get it!
Go and get a casket.
No.
Go and get a casket.
No, say that please now. Don't say that please.
No. Casket is the only solution. Casket is the
No,
only
you're not
solution.
dying now. You're not dying, brother. Stop now. Don't Bikonu. Mama Wakwara, Ona Wakwara. I'm Banu, my son.
Mama, that's it.
Get away, your brother, running man. Baby, talk to me.
I am very sorry, my son. Our tradition forbids your request. And in your own interest, I would like to advise you never to speak such abomination to the hearing of any other person.
Nai. But the chieftain's title has not been conferred. There should be a room for a refund.
Ichie, I beg of you, please help me out on this one, please. Okay? That's why I came to you first, because I know you can help me. I don't mind giving you 10% of the 15 million naira. Please, just help me, Biko. Biko.
Oh, there's no doubt that you are a very wonderful young man. We know this. But 10% of the 15 million naira is a very great idea. But listen to me. You don't search for your lost chicken in the den of a lion. It is not done. Okay, Kambo, I am an elder. In case you don't know, what you are requesting for, you are taking a dangerous risk in accordance with our tradition. Well, if you want to know more about the consequences, proceed to the king.
You see your life, see yourself. I warned you not to invest in this business for the first place. But you wouldn't listen to me. Just look at, I don't know, because of all these fake blinks you are still wearing that makes him believe you still have money on you. Nonsense.
It's rather unfortunate. The Igwe will not know the worth of this gold that I'm carrying now. And the Igwe gold no, but where the Igwe gold no? It's a ego money. It's a ego money. One. It's a ego ekelenge. I greet you, my master. I greet you. One.
Why are you poor and shameless at the same time? You just called me Ezego, king of money. The same name you dragged with me. Like they always say, he who laughs last, laughs best. You could check European bug on my foot. My boys told me you want to sell your car.
Yes, boss. Yeah. Yes.
Okay. I promised one of my girls a car. Let's see if she will like this carton.
Ezego, you just called her your sex toys. She doesn't have a choice. Hey, what you called her is just what she is.
Shut up and let her decide.
Yes, boss.
Look at your bar head. You know, you've been doing well. Do you like this car?
Lazarus. One name why? My sister.
Uh-huh. What do you mean by one nigga wine? Or one name more kanganani? I don't get it. Baby, do you like this car?
Yes.
For real? Okay. Now you manage this.
Oh my God! Thank you.
Let me have the keys.
Wow.
You have to test the one with first. Let's make sure.
Thank you.
So come back in 3 days for your money. European burger my foot. And now Maga came back from Europe. Came back from Europe. You're gradually changing color. We can now see your true color. Look at your bar head. Money is
My money.
the only thing better than money is
My money.
European burger my foot. Look at his bar head.
Oh my God.
You're gradually changing color. And now Maga, European.
He asked me to come back in 3 days' time for the money.
That's so nice of him.
What hurts me most is that I saw my own sister in his house. I met Nkiru there. As a matter of fact, he's buying the car for Nkiru. Right in front of me, Nkiru was kissing him like a starving bird. Is it because has it gotten to that point?
But, honey, no. No. Nkiru that I know can't do such a thing. I trust her. She can't do it.
She blatantly disrespected me in front of Lazarus. Not even one regard at all.
Thank you.
Nigeria's mego. Is it because I don't have money anymore?
Excuse me. Nkiru, where are you coming from? Are you deaf? So you feel you can go out there and sell yourself and return to this house at will without no respect for anybody, eh? Nkiru, what's all this ranting for? Wait, get you about. Has your husband's poverty started affecting your brain? Are you stupid? Are you try it? I
okay,
love
you don't
this.
have to do
try
that.
It. Hey, have you got wrong? Try it. Who do you think you are? Eh? You people should fight me. Let your wife fight me.
It's okay.
Is it my fault that you guys are broke? Go and
It's okay.
this one is just a small thing. I never see anything. Poverty. Okay, rich you now. Forever. This is my private part. It's not your people's business. Nonsense. Let me give the people that want to give to. Mama, me. Try it.
It's okay.
Stop hugging your wife. Let her try it.
See, whatever you do now will prevent Lazarus from giving us the money. Hey! Ozugo, it's okay.
Hey.
It's okay. Listen to me. We need the money now. At this point in time in our life, we don't need no fights. Please, we need this money to sustain ourselves. Do you understand me?
Hey.
Can we take a day go and toast?
Because of the money.
It's okay.
Because it's because of the money. I'm leaving that girl.
Because of the money, please. Okay. Hi. Ijo. Mwa bweri mi ego wan.
Ini Edo.
Eze ego money. Eze ego money. Agree to my master.
I told you to come with your wife for the money. Where is she?
Ezego, I was supposed to come with her, but she left home early this morning, sir.
She left because you are not determined enough.
I'm a born hustler. It's not like that.
If you are a hustler, she will be here before your wife.
Hi, baby.
Money.
You see? Women are like season. They come and go.
I love you, baby.
Are you sick? Stop. Stand up. Stand up! Are you sick? You're nothing but a cheap prostitute. All you do is jump from one man to another. You follow money. And you open your mouth to say you love me. Do you know the meaning of love? Now, both of you. Now you both should get out of my house and never return.
Baby. Baby, please.
See what you call show. Money. See what you call show. Money.
The greatest queen mother of our time. What's up with this sexy visit?
It is time.
Oh yes, I know. Time to spend my money, right?
I warned you. The 21 days has expired.
But I killed my sister. My own blood.
You murdered her. You never sacrificed her.
What is the difference between murdering her and sacrificing her? You should have told me you wanted the cops.
Money.
Finish.
See what you call show. Money. See what you call show. Money. Between the devil and the blue sea, I am stuck with a decision to make. Oh no, time is running out of me. Oh God, the loss of what I come again.